Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we will learn the basics of reading music. You might be thinking that why should we learn to read music? Or what are the importance of learning to read music? The answer to that question is to be the best we can in music, it is important that we learn how to read the standard musical notation. Let me tell you some benefits of learning to read sheet music. First is we can play with others. In the world of working musicians, there isn't much time for rehearsing the songs over and over until the band gets it right. We need to get it right the very first time, and that's where reading musical notation will help. Next point is we become a more diverse musician. If we can read music, we can become a more diverse musician. We can learn to play an incredible array of musical genres, from classical to jazz, from country to blues, etc. Next is we can write down compositions. Learning to read sheet music is just like learning a new language. We can use this language to communicate our own ideas with others. Composing musical ideas as sheet music allow us to share and play the original composition with others. Next point is we can remember music more easily. If we learn a piece of music from sheet music, it helps us to remember it better. When we play any instrument, we can use these musical notation to visualize the music moving up or down in pitch or speeding up or slowing down. And if we forgot, we don't need to rely on someone else to remind us. Next point is to reach our musical potential. Being a confident sight reader helps us in reaching our full potential. Some musicians worry that playing from sheet music results in mechanical sound. That may be true for the first and or second time, but with practice, our own unique playing style come through. Remember, we need to learn the rules before we can break it. So now you know the benefits. Let's learn the basics of reading music. Music is written on staff consisting of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces. These lines and spaces are numbered from bottom to top. Bottom line is the first line and top line is the fifth line. So this is first line, second line, third line, fourth line and fifth line. Similarly, first space, second space, third space and fourth space. Staff is also called stave. Staff is common in American English and stave in British English. We read the music from left to right, just like we read our books. This standing line is called bar line, and bar line splits the staff into equal segments, and these equal segments are called measures or bars. Can you count the number of measures in this particular staff? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 measures or bars in this particular staff. These two standing lines are called double bar line, and we use the double bar line at the end of the section of music. Or you can understand it as the changing of paragraph in an English article. This is called ending bar line, and we use the ending bar line at the end of the piece of music. It tells us that music is over. This is called repeat sign, and repeat sign tells us that we have to repeat the particular section of music. For example, if the music starts from here, it will move to the next measure, then to next measure, and then it will repeat, and then it will move further. So That's the basics of reading music, and I hope you understand it. So now it's time to wrap up. Today we have learned the benefits of learning to read sheet music and the basics of reading music, in which we have learned the parts of musical stuff, that is bar line, double bar line, ending bar line, and repeat sign. So that's all for the today's session, and now I want you to draw the parts of stuff in your notebook. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.